Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. Very easy, very simple guys, with just a couple of clicks. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. When you're at Snapchat, you want to click on your profile and then you want to click on the gear icon. That will simply lead you here to the settings. When you're at settings, you want to scroll the way down to the last section, which is account actions. You want to select the option number 3, which is delete account. When you click delete account on Snapchat, you have to input your password and you have to input your username, okay? You're not going to be able to proceed if you don't know your password. This is very important. So if you don't remember your password, it will be clever for you first to restart or recover your password before you proceed with the deletion. Very important over here is that when you click delete, your account will be deactivated, which means friends will no longer be able to see your content or your snaps or your saves or your shares. So everything will be gone. Even though they have your handle, they're not going to be able to find anything from the past. Very important over here, after 30 days, after you click delete, your account will be deleted. And if you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log in to Snapchat. Essentially guys, means that when you click delete, you have 30 days to change your mind. If you didn't take action or if you don't change your mind within this 30 days period, your account will be wiped out, including all the data, all the pictures, all the content. Very important note from Snapchat over here is that if you requested your data, all the download, you want to download your data, transfer all the information, you have to request this in advance. They don't have everything on hand, so this might take a while. They said that they won't be able to contact you if your account is in process for deletion. This simply means that if you want your data, you have to request your data prior clicking the deletion. If the account is scheduled for deletion, you cannot get your data. So if you don't care about the data, sure, you can proceed with the deletion. But if you care about the data, if you want to get the data, you should request it and you should wait. Who knows how long would it take them? 2, 3, 4, 5 days. But this is how it works. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.